Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Omnisend to Canva for branded e-commerce creatives, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Omnisend account. Navigate to the integrations section in your dashboard. Search for Canva in the available integrations list. Click on the Canva integration option to access its settings. You will see an Authorize button. Click on it to start the connection process. You will be redirected to Canva's login page. Enter your Canva account credentials and click Login. Once logged in, you will need to allow Omnisend to access your Canva account. Review the permissions requested by Canva and click on Allow. You will be redirected back to Omnisend once the authorization is complete. Now, go back to the Omnisend dashboard. Create a new campaign by selecting the Campaigns tab. Choose the type of campaign you want to create. In the campaign editor, look for the Design section. Click on the Canva Design option to start creating your creatives. This will open a new window that contains various templates from Canva. Select a template that matches your branding requirements. Customize the template with your brand colors, logo, and imagery. After making your customizations, click on the Save button in Canva. Close the Canva window and return to Omnisend. You will see the newly created design appear in your campaign editor. Continue to set up your campaign as needed, including adding content and scheduling. Review all settings before finalizing your campaign. Once everything looks good, click on Send or Schedule. Your branded e-commerce creatives are now integrated and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.